Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm again back with a review video, and this time I'm very excited for these products. So I have just shot this makeup look which I'm wearing, and also I've done the video in Malayalam, so I am excited for that too. I will be uploading it soon, so if you guys wanna be notified for the video, then please click on the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you never miss a video from me. So moving on, today's brand which I'm going to review is Amrutam. So they were very kind enough to send me their two lovely products to try on. The packaging was so beautiful. I was just impressed by it while opening itself. So this is how they send the products. This is a very cute jute bag on which they have mentioned their brand name, also their logo. I think very cute bag. You can use it for a lot of purpose. So this is how the products came in, and these are the two products which they send out. One is a face mask and one is a hair mask. I have been using it from 2 weeks, and I thought now it's high time that I should give you guys a review about it. So first I'm going to start off with the hair product. This is their Amrutam Kuntal Care Hair Spa. This is 100% Ayurvedic. Amrutam is a completely Ayurvedic brand, though I'm not a great fan of Ayurvedic products, but I still love it because it does wonders to our skin and hair. So as you guys can see, I've already used up a little bit, and I'm telling about this. And telling about this product, they have all the goodness in this. I'm telling about this hair spa. They have so much goodness in this one product. Like they have Bringraj, Amla, Mehendi, Brahmi. All the goodness which your hair needs is in this one bottle. So it works wonders if you have dry and frizzy hair. So it did a really good job for my hair. So what this product does is it helps in hair growth. It helps with your dry and frizzy hair. It revitalizes your scalp and helps in strengthening of hair root. It's useful in stopping hair fall, which I am going through a lot. So yes, I am excited to use this. It helps hair regrowth and keeps your hair healthy and black. So yeah, this is the product. This is a 200 ml of product which will go a long way, and the price for this one is 649 rupees. So as mentioned, because of the Ayurvedic background, it has a very strong smell of the ingredients which they have used. Especially I feel the mehendi smell is at the top. It's very strong. Yeah, if you are a person who loves smell of mehendi, then you're going to love this product. So guys, first I'm going to start using this hair product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to evenly spread all over my hair, and I'm going to apply on the scalp as well, because it's written on the bottle that we can use it on the scalp as well. Though I'm not a great fan of Ayurvedic fragrances, but it did give me a very cooling sensation on my scalp. So yeah, here I am applying evenly all over my scalp and also all over my hair. Consistency of this hair mask is very mud like. I won't say dry mud, but like a wet mud kind of consistency, and it was very easy to apply on my hair as well. I'm putting a generous amount of product on the ends of my hair because I have a lot of split ends and my hair is quite dry towards the end. So as you guys can see, I'm just applying a good amount of product over there. Then I'm just going to tie it up over and keep it for like 30 to 40 minutes as mentioned on the bottle. So I'll come back after washing my hair to show you the result. So the second product which I'm going to talk about is the Amrutam Charcoal Face Mask. So as you guys all know, charcoal is really good to detoxify your skin. So the main ingredients which is present in the face mask is aloe vera, charcoal, nariyal jata, sweet neem, lemongrass, white sandalwood, tulsi, rakta chandan. You know, all the good things of nature they have in this one small jar. So what it claims is to cleanse the skin, unclog pores, remove deeper impurities and dead skin cells. So when I applied it on my skin, it gave me a very subtle and even looking skin. I have been breaking out so much since I've been just sitting at home during the lockdown and eating fried food and all. I have been breaking out a lot. So when I started using this face mask, I could definitely see visible difference on my skin. So yes, definitely I'm going to recommend this product to everyone, and the best thing is it works on all skin types. So yeah, this is a 150 gram of product, and this will take you a long way, and the price for this one is 1100 rupees. I'll be mentioning all the details of the brand as well as all the product details in the description box, so that you can just check it out. So I just took bath and washed my hair. I'm just going to keep it like this for now, so that it gets semi-dried. Till then we can go and apply this face mask. The consistency of this product is really thick, so I'm just going to apply it over my face equally. It did give a very tingly sensation on the skin, but most of the mask, when you apply it, gives a tingly sensation, and I've heard that it's good if you feel something on the skin when you apply a mask. So that's that. So yeah, as written on the bottle, I'm just going to keep it for 10 minutes, and I'll get back to you guys with the result after washing my face as well as dry my hair. So yeah, huge shout out to Amrutam for sending these products to me to try out. I absolutely love these products, and I also got to know about this brand Amrutam. I was not aware of this. It's actually a very similar brand like Forest Essentials. It's a luxury Ayurvedic products, so it's like literally handmade for your skin and hair. And they also have other products as well related to wellness, health. They have baby products. I'll just leave the links in the description box, you can just check it out. So yeah, this was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed using these products. I will definitely recommend this to you guys as well, because I have been using this for 2 to 3 weeks and it did wonders to my hair and skin. So yeah, this was it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.